What's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your any galaxy into nothing OS. So let's begin. Okay guys, first look at this. I clean my home screen. First you have to download these apps on your Galaxy device. These apps absolutely free and available on Play Store. Guys, simply search this app's name on Play Store and simply download on your Galaxy device. After download these all apps, go to Phone Walls. Guys, this Phone Walls app also available on Play Store. Simply open and go to stock section. Simply search nothing and apply any nothing stock wallpaper on your Galaxy device. Simply save or apply. Now look at this. I apply nothing OS stock wallpaper on my Galaxy device. Okay, now let me show you widgets. Go to widgets and add nothing widgets on your home screen. Look at this. Many beautiful nothing widgets on this app. Every type of widgets available on this app. Simply choose like this. And look at this, you also set dark and light mode of this widget. For now, I add dark widget. Simply tap on add and look at this nothing clock on my Galaxy device. And I change shape of this widget. Then this widget automatically set with shape. Look at this. Now, second widget, simply choose any widget. And guys, you also set circular shape watch widget from this app. Simply find, look at this circular watch. Now look at this, I add all nothing widgets. Now last widget, add Google search bar. Now guys, let me show you how to install icons. Simply go to Good Lock. Go to Theme Park. Go to Icons. Tap on Create New. Select these nothing icons. Look at these nothing icons. Simply rename and apply. And guys, set app size, small app size. And look at this, my home screen completely convert into nothing OS. Guys, no option for control center, but you set black control center from Good Lock or directly from settings. Go to wallpaper and style, go to color palette and set gray color. But if you want to set direct complete black color, then simply go to Good Lock. Go to Quick Star, style of Quick Panel and set this black color. Choose black color and simply rename and apply this control center. Look at this, completely black control center. Now let me show you nothing volume style. Simply open this no volume, set all permissions. Simply tap on finish. After set all permissions, guys, look at this. nothing volume style on your Galaxy device. Simply go to setting and turn on move to right option. Guys, simply go to volume number, select nothing volume and again go to minor number and select minor number like this. Now look at this nothing volume style on your Galaxy device. Okay, in last, look at this lock screen clock. First, simply disable your system lock screen clock. Now look at this my lock screen clock. Disable. After disable system clock, first open this movies widget app and in this app look at this nothing clock. Simply tap on plus button and you also set date, size, alignment, many more options from this app. Now go to lock screen, tap and hold, tap on lock star, tap on add widget, go to movies widget, choose 3x2 widget, tap on done, tap on choose widget, unlock device and choose this nothing clock. Tap on select widget and look at this nothing clock on your Galaxy device. Simply increase size of this clock like this. Now look at this my Galaxy device completely convert into nothing OS. Lock screen, home screen, volume style, completely convert into nothing OS. Look at these widgets. So guys, you also convert your any Galaxy into nothing OS. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.